Think about your time. You go to a 9-to-5 job, you clock out, and you get $150 for the day. Now, imagine you spend 1 to 2 hours per day creating a simple YouTube video. Once monetized, that single YouTube video can generate you thousands of dollars, potentially tens of thousands of dollars, over the next 5 to 10 years. As long as it generates views, you generate money. So those few hours you spent on it now has unlimited earning potential. When you create a YouTube video, you create a digital asset. And it's assets that can make you a millionaire, not a 9-to-5 job. Hey, future millionaires! Today, I'm gonna be giving you the roadmap of how you can make $100,000 from one single YouTube video without even showing your face or doing tons of work on your end, and how anyone can start doing this today. I have grown multiple YouTube channels over the past few years, and I am not just making this up. Growing YouTube channels is not out of pure luck. It is a strategy, and I'm gonna be exposing that strategy for you today. Understand this. When people need an answer to something, the #1 search engine to look for their answer is Google. The second most used search engine is YouTube. This is statistically proven. And people don't just use YouTube for information, but they use YouTube for entertainment purposes too. Just like how some people binge watch Netflix, people binge watch YouTube too, and the traffic is already there. Not only will I be providing you a formula and a strategy to achieve this for yourself, but this video also includes a tutorial of how you can start making these videos yourself. I will also be showing you an AI tool called InVideo AI that will let you create these videos in your own voice with just a simple text prompt without you ever having to edit or script your videos. Make sure you watch all the way till the end of this video because I packed this video with tons of information and knowledge that people will try to charge you thousands of dollars to hear. My YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. All I ask in return for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos just like this. In addition to that, if you need help or you get stuck along the way, or you just need help taking action, I even created a network for one-on-one support where my team and I personally help you on your YouTube automation journey. That's linked down below in the description, so there is no excuses as to why you can't start. Now, I like visuals and examples, so I want you to take a look at this simple faceless YouTube video. You can see that this video is just a mix of stock footage clips with a voiceover behind it. This video was posted last year and now has over 6 million views. So let's do some math. Once you are monetized, YouTube pays you a certain rate for 1,000 views depending on the type of video you create. Based on my own experience, a video in this niche would have an RPM of around $20. That means that this video is earning around $20 per 1,000 views. And you might be wondering, well, how is that calculated? You can clearly see that this video is geared towards adults. Advertisers pay more on videos that are gonna have a higher converting target audience. So you are not gonna get that same RPM for a video of dancing fruits. A video like this is gonna have around $1 to 50 cents RPM. So there's thousands in 6 million views. So when you times $20 times 6,000, this single video made an estimate of over $120,000 in 1 year. Now remember, this is one video. So this whole snowball effect happens when you have multiple videos that are getting views, generating you money. So before you know it, you then have a 6-figure earning YouTube channel. And the more videos you make, the more your channel is growing. You can even become a millionaire just from making simple YouTube videos. I really can't stop talking about this topic to you guys because if you aren't creating some type of content on YouTube, this is your sign to start. Now, there's 3 different ways that you can dive into YouTube automation without showing your face. #1 is you can film videos doing certain tasks like tutorials, tech reviews, or a cooking channel where you just use a voiceover and your own clips. This means that you film yourself and you edit it after the fact using a voiceover, and your content is original, made by you without showing your face. Option #2 is you can think of ideas, do research, compile non-copyrighted stock footage together, record a voiceover, and edit it all yourself. Or option number 3, you can use the power of AI to create videos for you. All you need is an idea, and AI can create a full-blown video from it. I'm gonna show you an insane tool that I found recently to show you how you can generate videos just like the one that we saw using this one single powerful tool, where you can take one idea and one sentence and AI will turn it into a full-blown YouTube video. So this is InVideo AI. And all we have to do is type in a simple idea, and InVideo AI will generate an entire full-blown video for you with an engaging script, background music, subtitles, relevant footage, and even a human-sounding voiceover. Not just that, but you can also edit this and put your own personalized touches on your video with simple text commands to change the voiceover, the script, the footage, and so many other things. Let me show you how you can actually do this. So this is InVideo AI, and I put the link for this tool at the top of my description box down below, so you can find it there. Now that we're here, we're gonna ask the AI to create a 3-minute motivational YouTube video about mindset. And remember, the more detailed your prompt is here, the better the video. So let's type this in and ask the AI to create this video. So we're gonna ask it, make me a video around the differences between a fixed mindset and a growth mindset, and how switching over to a growth mindset can make you very successful in life. Include vivid and creative examples to illustrate the points. Be funny and casual. Use a heavy male British voice and add subtitles. Feel free to use this prompt for your videos too. You can just fill in the differences of what you want. But I think by you following this as well will help you. And will help the AI create an even better video. So now you're gonna see that our video is being generated. When you're writing your prompts, just make sure that you state specific elements, such as the topic of the video, the tone of the voice, the type of voiceover, and any other details that you want the video to include. Now that our video is done, let's see what the AI made for us. I am always so blown away by these videos because I can never believe that AI made this video this fast.
These abilities as muscles. The more you use them, the stronger they get. This mindset embraces challenges, persists in the face of setbacks, sees effort as a path to mastery, and learns from criticism.
So you can see now below the preview of our video, there is an edits command box. Here you can make a bunch of different types of edits just by using simple text commands. So let me show you how this works. I'm also going to give you guys some examples of edit commands that work the best and that can be used in your video. So here we can ask the AI to add subtitles to the video, and it will add subtitles to the video. We can ask the AI to change the voiceover.
Fixed Freddy again gives up after the first few falls. I'm just not cut out for this, he moans, nursing his bruised ego.
We can even change the intro and start with a joke. So let's try that now. Change intro and start with a joke. Click that. And it just gave us an intro that started with a joke. A really important one that I really want you guys to add is this one, which is add a call to action at the end to ask them to subscribe to your channel for more. Click this. And now we have a call to action. If you don't like the media that they chose for the video in a specific scene, you can ask it something like this. Change media in clip 3 to show a person sitting on a computer. Or you could ask it something like this. Change the starting clip with a more scenic clip of the mountains. And it gave us that as well. Here's a few other commands that you can ask it. You can tweak the volume of the voiceover, change the background music, make the voiceover louder, quieter, and so many more things. By clicking over here, you can also edit the script and edit media controls if you need to.
Not just that, but if you don't want to use an automated voiceover and rather have your own voice narrate the video, you can clone your own voice and add it to your video to add even more of your personality to these videos. Let me show you how you can use this new voice cloning tool. When you're on InVideo AI, just click on these 3 lines up here on the left-hand side. Then under plugins, just click on voices. Click here and you can add your voice. So with this, you have to submit a recording of at least 30 seconds and just mention, I give InVideo AI the permission to use my voice. This is just for you to use, but if you don't mention this, it will not work. I know here it says to use high quality recording equipment, but you really don't need to. You can just use your phone or your laptop. So once you film a voice, just click on choose file and you can upload it here. Check all of these boxes. Give it a second to work and then click done. If you want to add multiple voiceovers, you can click on this button here to edit and rename this file. Once the processing is complete, you can then click on use. And it will automatically add your voice to the prompt. So then you can add in whatever you want here to actually make the next video. Then when you're done, just click on generate a video and they will literally use your voice to create the video with. If you just upload one voice, by default, they will use your voice for every single video you create. If you want to add this voice to already existing videos that you made, just go back to the command box and you can just type in the edit command box, change the voiceover to voice 1 or whatever you named your voice to be when you were renaming it. So since we named ours voice 1, that's why we're calling it voice 1. And when you're done, just click on generate. And the old AI voiceover will now be changed to your own voice.
The more you use them, the stronger they get. This mindset embraces challenges, persists in the face of setbacks, sees effort as a path to mastery, and learns from criticism.
This program, InVideo AI, also now has an actual app that you can download to your phone. I think it's only on iOS right now, and it has the exact same setup and steps, so you can create these videos straight from your phone. Again, I put the link down in the description box to access this tool. You can use InVideo AI for free, but if you're serious about video creation and you want to publish these videos and save them without a watermark, you should upgrade to the paid plan, which starts at $20 a month. And this is the one that I have.
The paid plan not only unlocks removing the watermark of the videos, but it also gives you access to the voice cloning and premium stock footage.
It's just so insane that nowadays it's never been easier to actually start your YouTube automation journey. This program also generates shorts as well. So if you wanted to post tons of shorts on YouTube to gain traction to your channel, this program also can generate shorts for you as well. Now, in addition to making videos, editing videos on your own, strategizing content, creating engaging thumbnails, making sure your titles and descriptions are on point, I included all of these additional details step by step in these 2 free courses that are on my YouTube channel. I recommend watching both because you're gonna learn so much from both of these free courses. And of course, I linked them down in the description box below for you guys. Now, I always say you guys need to start a YouTube channel based on something that you actually like. Because the way that YouTube monetization works, you do have to reach certain requirements to actually get monetized. This means that you have to create content and not get paid for it at first. Meaning you have to at least like what you're doing in order to stay consistent to get to that level of monetization. Like, I can't even imagine if I had to create a YouTube channel about sports. I would hate it because I don't know anything about sports and it's not going to inspire me. That's why I always say you should always try to find purpose in behind what you're doing because it will really propel you to the next level quicker. Because when you're more passionate about something, when you like something, you're more likely to really get creative with it and really stand out. Now, a common problem that a lot of people are scared of when they start YouTube automation is, I'm scared that YouTube is not gonna monetize me. I'm scared about the whole repetitious content thing. This is why I teach you guys in my free courses, especially how to create content that is unique and that has a higher chance of being monetized. As long as you put your own personal touches on things, you shouldn't have to worry about it. But I know for a fact that there are videos on YouTube that are being monetized using content that has been created using AI. Now, because you guys stayed all the way till the end of this video, I'm gonna be giving you my personalized advice of what you need to know about growing a YouTube channel fast. Because I know you guys don't wanna be waiting forever to get monetized. And it doesn't have to take long if you use the right strategies and funnels. One strategy to grow your YouTube channel is to post tons of shorts. Right now, YouTube is pushing out channels that are posting shorts. So if you create a bunch of shorts in your niche, you are likely to show up on search. One of the hardest things for new YouTube channels is for them to rank in search because they're new. But if you're creating shorts and you're using keywords that people are searching for, you're more likely to be seen as a newbie. Now, I'm talking about shorts on YouTube, but to go to even the next level, in my opinion, you should be focusing on Instagram and TikTok as well. If you're growing your YouTube channel, why not grow your other accounts as well? If you're growing your Instagram and TikTok the same time you're growing your YouTube channel, you can be funneling people from Instagram and TikTok to your YouTube channel. You have to think of your YouTube channel as a business because it's gonna generate money for you just like a business is. But you have to think of it like this. This will inspire you to create more content to drive more audience to your YouTube channel. Then you'll start to get ideas for content on Instagram and TikTok because all you're gonna be thinking about is funneling people to YouTube. And you'll start to gain content ideas because of that. And I don't wanna hear there's too many people doing it, you can't blow up. Even now, I see brand new YouTube channels blowing up overnight. I have seen YouTube channels that went from no subscribers to thousands of subscribers overnight. I just saw one literally yesterday. So I don't want to hear that it's too oversaturated or that you can't do it because there's always a space for you and nobody can do it like you can do it. That's why I always encourage you guys to please put your personalized touches on these videos because it's what's gonna make you stand out. So I really hope this advice helps you on your YouTube automation journey. You guys already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. If you haven't already, make sure you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos just like this. You guys know my 3 main goals is to uplift, inspire, and educate, and I'm so grateful every single day that I have this platform to do that. If you haven't already, make sure you're following me on Instagram as well at BaddieandBiz, BaddieandBiz for more business inspiration and updates. Again, make sure you guys go watch these 2 free courses all about YouTube automation if you haven't already. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I try to get back to as many comments as possible to help you guys out. But again, if you need one-on-one help to actually get this started, join Baddies in Business because I am in the community every single day helping you guys out on your entrepreneurship journey. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next free course. Bye everyone.